Welcome back, guys. Today, we're diving into 10 Amazon household gadgets that are definitely worth buying. From innovative cleaning tools to a portable clothes dryer, these gadgets are designed to make everyday tasks easier, more efficient, and a whole lot more fun. And like always, the links to all products are in the description below, so you can grab your favorites. Let's get started. The Raggle Flat Microfiber Magic Mop makes floor cleaning effortless with its ultra-fine microfiber pads, efficiently picking up pet hair, dirt, and grime while ensuring streak-free drying to protect wood floors. Its hands-free wringing system lets you clean without touching dirty water. Just slide the lever, and the built-in wringer squeezes out excess liquid. Designed for speed, it cuts mopping time in half. Perfect for large spaces. The 360-degree swivel head easily maneuvers under furniture and tight corners, making it ideal for daily cleaning. Say goodbye to messy spills and hello to effortless cleaning. The Keep-Ow Fabric Shaver, your ultimate solution for removing lint, fuzz, and pilling. Equipped with 6 large stainless steel blades and a powerful suction system, it boosts cleaning efficiency by 100%. The 3 adjustable speed settings make it ideal for a variety of fabrics, from delicate sweaters to heavy winter coats and sofas. Its smart LED display provides clear information on battery power, speed, and charging status. The triple protection design, including a thickened honeycomb mesh and safety switches, ensures fabric safety. Keep your clothes and home textiles looking fresh and renewed in minutes. The Uhomey 110-volt portable clothes dryer is compact yet powerful, with 850 watts of drying power and a 1.5 cu-feet capacity, making it perfect for small spaces like apartments, dorms, or RVs. It can dry up to 10 pounds of clothes while maintaining a 140-row max temperature to keep your clothes safe. The dryer offers multiple drying modes including cold, warm, and hot settings, ideal for different fabric types. Its quiet operation won't disturb conversations or sleep. Featuring a see-through door and a 3-layer cotton filter to trap lint, it's easy to monitor and use. The automatic shut-off feature ensures safety if the door is opened. With ETL and DOE certifications, this portable dryer is both safe and efficient, with a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. The Enum Microwave Popcorn Maker is the perfect solution for movie nights, offering a healthier and cost-effective alternative to store-bought popcorn. Made from durable borosilicate glass, it ensures excellent heat resistance while keeping your snacks free from harmful chemicals, thanks to its BPA-free, food-safe design. Designed exclusively for turntable microwaves, this lightweight popcorn popper features a multifunctional lid that not only measures the perfect amount of kernels, but also melts butter or seasoning evenly as the popcorn pops. Say goodbye to expensive prepackaged bags and enjoy fresh, delicious popcorn anytime. The Vakumar Liquid Vacuum Sealer is designed to help you preserve food with ease, offering a convenient and efficient way to keep your meals fresh for longer. The sealer offers 10 modes, including a unique liquid sealing mode for soups, stews, and purees. It features dry, moist, liquid options, and strong, soft vacuum pressure, adapting to different foods. The 90 kPa commercial-grade sealer can work for over 200 cycles and includes an LED progress bar for clear monitoring. With a double heat seal, it ensures airtight sealing to preserve food for up to 10x longer, perfect for prepping meals and leftovers. The built-in cutter and bag storage make it easy to use, while the removable drip tray simplifies cleanup. Backed by a 5-year warranty and ETL certification, this sleek, durable, and efficient sealer is a kitchen essential. The Fauna Electric AR Collider, featuring upgraded electric artillery technology for precision and performance. With its windproof design and aluminum alloy casting, this lighter is durable and reliable. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort, while the Dorwich safety lock control provides an extra layer of safety. Alumina ceramic contacts ensure high temperature resistance and no deformation, even in strong winds. The charging port turns off automatically when fully charged. Multi-purpose use and a smart circuit prevent overheating by shutting off the electric arc after 7 seconds of use. The battery power indicator and multiple color options make this a sleek, safe, and innovative tool for your needs. The future of drinking is here. Meet the Steck Smart Alcohol Dispenser, your new best friend for parties, gatherings, and even quiet nights. With its 3-inch touchscreen, you can easily customize drink sizes with just a tap, while the drink measure function ensures precise pours every time. Say goodbye to outdated decanters. Its aerator function instantly enhances flavor, texture, and aroma with the touch of a button. From measuring shots to tracking consumption, Stuck's drink calculator helps manage your liquor intake. When the party ends, the self-clean function handles cleanup effortlessly. Worried about spills? Stuck's spill-free technology ensures a mess-free experience, and with 3 bottle adapters, it fits virtually all liquor bottles. With Stuck, every pour is perfect, so when will you enjoy yours? The ultimate ear cleaning experience is here. Meet the Earwax Remover Kit, designed for precision and safety. Featuring a 360-degree free view, 1080p HD ear camera, and rotatable ear spoon, this kit offers 3 radiant ear scoops for a customized clean. The waterproof lens ensures durability, while the high-quality Wi-Fi chip guarantees smooth performance. With wide compatibility for iOS and Android devices, the Earwax Remover Kit is the perfect solution for safe, effective ear cleaning. The Otis Star Desktop Vacuum Cleaner offers cordless convenience with 2 AA batteries, providing up to 90 minutes of cleaning time. Its 360-degree rotatable design makes it easy to clean corners and hard-to-reach areas. Perfect for desktops, keyboards, and more, it efficiently picks up dust, hair, and debris with its precise nozzle. Despite being battery-powered, it delivers high suction power while staying quiet enough for reading or relaxation. Lightweight and made of durable acrylic, this mini vacuum is easy to operate, making it an ideal tool for quick, efficient cleaning at home, school, or the office. Elevate your space with the rechargeable cordless table lamp. Its sleek aluminum alloy body ensures durability and elegance. Enjoy a cord-free lighting experience with the Type-C charging port for fast, effortless charging. The lamp features seamless dimming, 20 to 100% brightness, and adjustable color temperature, warm, cool, and white light, perfect for any occasion. Powered by a 6,000 mAh battery, it provides 15 to 72 hours of illumination. The IP54 waterproof rating protects against spills and dust. Perfect for both home and office, this stylish, versatile lamp offers the ideal lighting solution. That's a wrap, guys. These 10 Amazon household gadgets are game changers for making daily tasks easier and more efficient. Let us know in the comments which one was your favorite. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome gadget finds. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.